Hello all, welcome to another video of mine and it is the series in rapid manufacturing. In this video, we will be learning about prototype tooling. So in additive manufacturing, we have rapid prototyping and rapid manufacturing. So additive manufacturing is a technology. So rapid prototyping is a prototyping and rapid manufacturing is like complete manufacturing process. So in rapid prototyping, we have works like solid imaging, concept modeling, functional prototype, prototype tooling. But in rapid manufacturing, we have works like direct tooling and direct manufacturing. So we will be tooling the machines and we will be performing the manufacturing process directly. So all these involves rapid prototyping and rapid manufacturing is done in the technology called additive manufacturing. So it is the application level, it is a sub-level. So some call it as bridge tooling, although this name is also used for secondary rapid prototyping processes. Prototype tool made from polyamide can be seen as an example in the figure below. So we have the sole of a shoe in the image. The designs at first the designs are made up of in the first image the design is made up of rapid prototyping. The second image is made using rapid tooling. So this is the tool which is used to create this kind of impression. A prototype tool made from polyamide can be seen as an example. So there is an impression. Using that impression, we will be generating or manufacturing the shoes with this design. It is used to fabricate a small series of a new design for a grip sole for rubber boots. Summing up the different kinds of tooling, one can see that rapid tooling does not represent an autonomous application process. So it is not an autonomous application process. Manual work is, of course, necessary. Rapid tooling integrates all additive manufacturing applications that can manufacture dies and molds or corresponding inserts. The soles are necessary to make the entire boot by applying it to a prefabricated boot leg without making a series like metal tool in advance. So this is a manual process. Prototype tooling, additive manufacturing. Rapid tooling defined as the subcategory that integrates prototype tooling and direct tooling. Additive manufacturing involves two processes. One is rapid manufacturing and rapid prototyping. All additive manufacturing processes are called as direct processes. In order to indicate that the digital process model is directly converted into a physical object called the part by means of a generative machine. In contrast to this, some procedures are called indirect processes or also called as indirect rapid prototyping processes. They do not apply the principle of layer manufacturing and consequently they are not additive manufacturing processes. Actually, indirect processes are copying techniques mostly based on silicon rubber casting such as RTV. Since additive manufacturing is a part of masters, terms like indirect rapid prototyping processes are established. This is actually a direct process. This is nothing but the application level. Indirect process is also available. In additive manufacturing process, directly delivers a geometric exact and scaled physical facsimile of the virtual dataset. But this process also comes with disadvantages, at least with regard to most of today's additive manufacturing processes. Additive manufacturing process works well with process and consequently with machines depending on the materials and restrictions in terms of colors, transparency and flexibility. Of course, when we are designing a sole or when we are designing a shoe, we will be considering the materials which are necessary, quality of the material is necessary, the color of the material, the restrictions, transparency, the flexibility based on the quality, based on the cost. So we will be deciding all these and based on that decision only additive manufacturing process will be performed. Show almost no cost reduction with an increase in production volume. And of course, we have to consider the production volume. production volume, it should not be reduced, are rather expensive when used to make any copies, especially for series of applications. To overcome these problems, so these are the problems which are faced in the rapid prototyping. Additive manufacturing parts can be recorded as master models and then used for subsequent copying or reproduction process. The principle behind this is often called as splitting of capabilities. So we are designing and planning, and after that we are manufacturing, so we are naming it as splitting of capabilities. The geometrical exact part is quickly obtained from the additive manufacturing process, while the desired quantity and properties such as color and so on come from a subsequent copying process. A copying or follow-up process is not a layer-based process. Because of that, it is not an additive manufacturing process, and we are saying it as an indirect process in additive manufacturing. I hope you would have learned from the video. See you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Radhika.